Then today you'll see a few cases. Let's say you are defining a function. Let's say you have defined a function. Priyanka is not joined today. You have defined a function which does some processing. Okay, which does some processing. Okay, but the result of processing done inside the local scope, inside the function, that is the local scope of the function, inside the function is to be used in the global scope at a later point. How to do this? How to achieve this? Vishnupriya, see if you can drop a text to Priyanka if she wants to attend. Okay. So how to achieve this? Yes, Prashant is correct. For example, let's say I tell you, define a function क्योंकि ordinarily when you do something and find some result inside the function and store it in a variable, that cannot be used in the global scope after the function call is over. Okay, because the moment it comes out of the functions get destroyed and with its scope, and therefore all the values computed inside is also lost. So what to do if some value calculated inside the function when function was called what is to be used later in the program? Okay. For example, अगर ले लेते हैं ऐसे, let's say I define a function factorial fact which accepts one number in the parameter, okay, and finds the factorial of that number. So how will you do? F is equals to 1 for I in a range 1 to n plus 1, because factorial is a product of all the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, so every time I gets one value in the incremental way from 1 to n, and then every time I gets a new value, you will multiply it with the product of all the previous values. I into f या f into I, कुछ भी कर दो, ठीक है? It is same. चलो f into I ही लिख देते हैं. But you can write either way. Okay. Now let's say you have defined a function and then you print the factorial. But now this program is fully capable of printing the factorial. Let's say I say fact of 5. Okay, so what will happen? This portion, starting from the definition or the header of the function. Okay, चलो कुछ कुछ चीज मैं लेबल कर देता हूं यहां पे. this entire thing this entire thing is function header. Function header. Okay, this thing is parameter. Okay, this thing is, रुक जा हाँ अनंत, you are correct. This thing is function, this thing is known as the argument. Okay, and then you have this parameter is also known as formal parameter. Okay, formal parameter. Then this portion, this entire portion is called function call or function invocation. Okay, argument is also known as actual parameter. When you say only parameter, that will mean this thing. If you this n, okay. When you say actual parameter, the actual parameter or the argument, you will mean the value that is passed to n when calling the function. On this value, on the parameter only, in the body, some processing takes place. Okay. This portion is called function block और बॉडी. ठीक है, ये बताओ अब लेबलिंग में क्लियर है सब कुछ? ओके, नाउ what do you think is the limitation of this function? Now my question is, okay, yes, so what do you think is the limitation of the function, of this function? Limitation of this function. क्या लगता है? Yes, anyone? Just a minute. हाँ बताइए, तब तक सोचिए आप लोग, think over it. Yes, who will answer? Prashant? Saurav? Anand? Nobody is here. Akhila? Socho, I'll give you 10-15 seconds more. Yeah, can't use them in the global scope. That means if you want to use this result, value of f will not be there in the global scope. That means अगर ये तुम्हें factorial of 5 which will be coming as 120 ये कहीं आगे जाके यूज करना है, if you have to use it later down in the program, नहीं, that is not the thing, Anand. The main issue with this is, the problem is, इसका आंसर है, if you want to use the result of function, and what is the result generated by the function? 5 factorial is equals to 120 here. Okay, in this case, later in the program, in the global scope, then you won't be able to use it. You won't be able to use it. Okay. Therefore, which keyword is used? Return keyword is used. Return keyword or return statement. Return statement लिख दो, ज़्यादा correct होगा. Statement is used to solve this. ठीक है. Now the question is how return will solve this problem. How return statement will enable you to use one result calculated here in later down in global scope. ठीक है, तो वो देखो कैसे होता है. But how? Our question is, return will help return will help, but how? ठीक है, अब उसका देखो. Let's say you have the function. Now I am rewriting the function. Fact and n. Okay. Fact n, correct. उसके बाद you'll write f is equals to 1. Normal processing. नहीं, लूप में नहीं करेंगे. Range 1 to and then final value of f is your factorial, so that final value will be returned. अब वो क्या काम करेगा we will see when we will run it. Return f. So it is just like you will call this function. Okay, you will call this function fact with the value 5. Now what will happen? I'm dry running this program. This part being function definition will be just scrolled through. Okay. Being function definition, no processing will take place. Python won't do any processing in the first go. No processing will take place. Okay. Now, उसके बाद क्या होगा? Then it will come to this line. The moment it comes to this line, you call the function signature matches. What do we mean by signature? Signature is equals to, remember, signature is equals to name or the identifier of the function. Function name is also an identifier. Remember, the rules of identifier that is used in the variable will also apply for naming the function. Because function names are also identifiers. Fire of function, that is the name of function, plus number of parameters. समझे? तो ये जो है should be same as is equals to function call, name at function call, name at function call plus, I'm just writing in some rough तो ताकि याद रहे तुम लोगों को, plus number of arguments. So that means in general, till the time the name exactly matches at the point, this name of the identifier of the function exactly matches the function call, and the number of values it has to accept, the same number of values you are not sending while calling the function. That means the number of parameters is not equal to the number of arguments. Until the time the name is not equal to the identifier name of the function, till that time the function call won't be successful. So ये याद रखना. Okay. So this is your rough area. Okay. Just so that you can remember later. Now, when it comes to this line, the signature of the function matches. Therefore, this function along with this will give rise to local scope of the function as per this definition in the memory. Okay. Local scope of function fact with the value of n as what? 5 will come into existence. Here f is equals to 1 will be created, a variable named as f with value 1 will be created in the local scope because this is during the execution of the function. Then this loop will run, and finally loop to calculate factorial, and f finally contains 5 factorial ka total value which is equals to 120 in the local scope of the function. Okay. After this loop, whatever is the value of f is the local scope. Now what you are saying is return f. So what does return do? Return statement, this statement whenever is encountered within the body of or block of function terminates the function, terminates, and you can say terminates the function and the function goes out of existence with the program control returning back to the point of function call. ठीक है? But before all this is done, before all this is done, all this का मतलब क्या? All this का मतलब है तुम्हारा ये पार्ट है. Terminates the function and the function goes out of existence. ये. This is what we mean by all this. ठीक है? ये वाला पार्ट जो है, this is what I am referring to as all this. All this ये वाला. ठीक है? This, all this, यही है. ठीक है? But before all this is done, the value returned in return statement is thrown to the global scope. ठीक है? But before going out of existence, return will before going out of statement, the moment you will encounter return f, what will this do? This will, step 1, throw the value of 5 factorial, that is 120 thrown to where? 120 thrown to the global scope, where? To the point where the function was called. At this point, it will be thrown. Okay. Then this is the first step. Second step is you can take as you'll write it like this. Okay. This is second step. Destruction of function. Okay. तो पहले ये वैल्यू फेंक देगा बाहर. This entire thing, just a minute. This entire thing will be replaced by 120. But if 120 has been thrown here, समथिंग शुड बी, अब यहां पे तुम 120 कोई फेंका बाहर, तो कोई तो होना चाहिए जो इसे कैच करे. सो देयरफॉर यू विल हैव टू कैच दिस इन अ वेरिएबल लेबल्ड एज एनीथिंग. जो भी मान लो, यहाँ पे सेम भी एफ भी रख सकते हो, बिकॉज दिस विल बी एफ इन लोकल स्कोप, दिस विल बी एफ इन ग्लोबल स्कोप. और लेट्स से एफ एफ टी रख लेते हैं फैक्टोरियल. सो पहले क्या होगा, right side of the equal to will be evaluated as a part of the right side of the equal evaluation of this expression. Right side of equal to, this function will be called. This function will calculate the value of factorial in f based on the value passed to n. That therefore 120 will be contained in f. This return statement will throw the value of 120 and will replace this expression, this, and then this will go out of existence. And then this 120, which has been replaced in place of function call at the point of function call, will be put inside the LHS, so that ft becomes your factorial, and then you can print ft. ये बताओ, ये समझ में आया कि फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ राइट साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू. रिमेंबर, राइट साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू के बाद वाला चीज पहले ही इवैल्यूएट होता है. whatever comes as the result of evaluation is put in the LHS. The same thing follows as a part of evaluation of RHS. Function gets called. The moment function gets called with the value 5 passed as an argument to the parameter n, factorial of 5 is calculated, which is stored in f, and then this f is thrown out to the point where the function was called before the function gets destroyed. Once the value is thrown, the function goes out of existence, and this value replaces this expression fact5, which was the function call, with the value thrown. And then this value, which is evaluated as the part of the expression of the right side of equal to, coming as 120, is then assigned to left side of this LHS, and therefore this variable ft gets assigned value as 120, which can later be used in the program, because the value 120 is now contained in a variable identified by ft in the global scope. तो ये कंसेप्ट रिटर्न का समझ में आया या नहीं आया, ये बताओ. ओके, करेक्ट, ठीक है. अदर्स ऑल्सो बता दीजिए. इफ दिस इज क्लियर देन विल स्टॉप हियर. I have my 11th standard also. I'll start. ठीक है, Kirtana also understood. Good. What about others? अच्छा, प्रियंका इज देयर. आई थॉट कि उसका लगता है माइक्रोफोन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आज. एनीवेज, ओके, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड लेट मी नो. किसी को डाउट होगा तो मुझे बता देना. विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ओनली टुमारो. Okay, I could not revise once more because we don't have time right now. Okay, and we'll see some more variants of this, and then we'll this theory part will be complete from this chapter. Okay, और भी एक दो छोटे छोटे चीज हैं, वो भी हम लोग देख लेंगे. Okay, ठीक है. We'll stop here then.